Hi there, Rob here. Yesterday I showed you very briefly XSplit, the XSplit broadcaster, and just one of the effects you can run through a video stream splitter called SplitCam. Now I'm capturing SplitCam at the moment. I'll just show you a little bit more. It can obviously run a webcam, you can run a video, you can do a screenshot. That's what I'm doing now. I'm actually taking a screenshot off VCam, which is an alternative product which does a similar thing, although it has far more filters. It has the free frame plugins basically, which extend VCam enormously. But what the program will do, and do a pretty good job. Fairly low resolution, fairly slow. They're both processor intensive, particularly as I'm running XP. But anyway, briefly, some effects. If I run a filter in SplitCam, I can flip vertically, horizontally, go to black and white, black contours, black gradient, blue contours. You're getting the idea. Green. You can do a negative, and so on. Now you can do other things. You can change backgrounds. You can put your video stream, your webcam onto the background. You can put frames around your images, use avatars, other objects, put text, date and time and so on, which is interesting, but it's not what I'm going to do right now, because I'm now going to try and mess with your minds by going to VCam and running through some of those effects. If we put blur zoom on and its system slowing down, you can see that was a fairly interesting effect, and pretty cheap too. If you want some cheap video effects, it's a good place to get them. This is the fire effect in VCam running through SplitCam at the same time. If I took the effect off SplitCam, you're now getting just a raw VCam, and I'll show you blur zoom again. It's quite an interesting effect. You have a burning effect as well. There's quite a range. I'll just quickly run through them. I won't name them. You can figure them out for yourself, but this one's called Dizzy. Here's a lensing effect. It's quite a lot. Warp, random, noise object, predator. Not quite sure what predator's doing. Quark. Very strange. So I feel quite nervous, but anyway, that's nervous. And so on. There's threshold, colorize, and they're also adjustable. So I probably won't show you that right now, because I want to go back to blur zoom, and in the effects I'm going to choose plugins this time. Currently set at none. We'll go to alpha trail. It failed straight away. Oh well. Block generator, that worked. Perhaps delay strips. Yep, quite like that. So that's a combination of delay strips with blur zoom in VCam. Now these effects, and there are a lot of additional effects plugins. Here's Lomo. Let's see if that works. Yep, that's working quite well. There are a lot of them. I can't count them. There's so many in front of me. That's a fisheye effect. They're free frame effects basically, and you can search on the web. As I say, This is peak wave running in VCam, and that's probably the key selling feature for VCam. It will run multiple video streams, and it will run multiple media. You can paint on the screen. You can do quite a lot for a fairly low price, and you get trials of all these programs I mentioned. And I'm not affiliated in any way, I just like to try stuff out. So I'll see if I can demonstrate writing on the screen just for the fun of it. Just the pen width, and as you can see, I can write on the screen. It's not unique in this, it's quite common in fact, but I just think SplitCam's useful in being able to split the streams and run them across to different devices, virtual devices, but also VCam is quite an effective little package as well because of the filter options. And that's me signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye.